to undertake industrial action is enshrined in the Constitution and labor laws. It must be exercised responsibly with due regard to the well-being of the public, and I urge all parties involved to act in good faith and prioritize the interests of our citizens. Respect for court orders is paramount, and adherence to the legal processes is essential in resolving disputes effectively. We need to tighten our belts and live within our means as a country in order to make more resources available to manage our economic challenges and to invest in goods and services that benefit all, not just some citizens. It is neither just, proper, nor reasonable for any group to make demands that run counter to this imperative, elevate their claims above legitimate benchmarks, or exceed our economic capacity. I want to urge workers, including our daughters and sons who are doctors, that as social partners, we must swiftly address the pertinent issues at hand, ensuring that essential services continue uninterrupted and our commitment to serving our citizens remain unswerving. Looking ahead, to ensure industrial peace and manage disputes effectively, I have instructed the Ministry of Labor and Social Protection to activate multiple wage councils outlined in the 2007 Labor Relations Act. These councils include Council for Seafarers, Protective, General, and Agricultural Wages. They will negotiate minimum wages in different sectors, enhancing conciliation, mediation, and industrial peace. Kenya operates within the global context, and our competitiveness is key to overcoming economic challenges. Progress has been made in managing inflation, stabilizing the currency, and addressing debt. Our economic policies have also lowered prices of basic goods, easing pressure on workers. As we continue on this trajectory, we need to appreciate that we must live within our means and manage the cost of doing business in our country as a way of enhancing our overall competitiveness. And it is the reason why, listening to both Francis Atwoli and Jacqueline Mugo, I think they are reading from the same script.